Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fatma. Today we have a very funny recipe. So we have here meat, season it with your salt. Then mix very well. Make sure every part of the meat is touched by salt. Then after that, put your meat on a sufuria and start boiling. Now take out your cabbage and let's cut it into some pieces, large pieces. Today we are making something very funny and it's interesting, it's sweet. So guys, stay tuned and watch how I make this. After you're done cutting your cabbage, now let's start frying. Put some oil on your sufuria. Then start by your onions and carrots, fry them well. After they have cooked, add your garlic and mix very well. After mixing for a while, it's now high time we add our boiled meat. And keep mixing, fry them very well. After mixing for a while, it's now time we add our tomatoes, and don't wait for the tomatoes to cook. Add the cabbages so that it will cook together with the tomatoes. This process of adding large pieces of cabbage is called Tumbukiza. Now add water or the water we use to boil meat. Then cover and wait to cook for some minutes. After they look like this, start mixing. After mixing for a while, let it cook for at least 2 minutes and our Tumbukiza is very ready to serve. So guys, this is quite an interesting recipe. Please don't hesitate to try this and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and like video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.